How to permanently delete your YouTube account. Let's get started. First, launch your YouTube app. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different option. Navigate to the option U. Once you're in this page, you're gonna find this option Google account. Click on that. You'll be directed to this page. Now here you're gonna find different tab. Navigate to the tab Data and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down. Over here, you're gonna find this section of App and Services. Click on that. Navigate to the option Delete a Service. You'll be prompted to enter your account's password or use your Face ID. Once you complete this process, you'll be directed to this page. Now what you're gonna do is click on this option of delete for the YouTube. You're gonna get two options. I want to hide my channel or permanently delete my content. Select the option I want to permanently delete my content and then check in for these options. The following will be permanently deleted: your videos, playlist, comments that you made on YouTube, your replies and thumbs up on comments, your YouTube gift settings, your search and watch history. Also, any paid subscription that you own, example YouTube Premium, YouTube TV, will be cancelled. Check in for these options and click on the option Delete My Content. For the confirmation, type in your email address over here and then click on the option Delete My Content, and just for that, your YouTube channel will be deleted. And that's it. This way you can easily delete your YouTube account permanently. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.